Hello friends, my name is Asif and this is my new YouTube channel Technical Asif. In this session, students, I am going to teach you paper Information Technology 402. It is included in our 10th board and 9th board CBSE curriculum. So in this session, without late, I am going to start. The first topic is what is computer network. Computer network is a collection of computer and other hardware components that can be used to share information from one place to another place. Friends, basically कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क मीन्स जब हम लोग बहुत सारे कंप्यूटर को आपस में क्या करते हैं, कनेक्ट कर देते हैं, so that information can be shared. That process is known as, that things is known as computer network. Computer networks have so many advantages and objectives. The first and very popular objective is exchange of information. अगर आपका कंप्यूटर आपस में कनेक्ट है तो ऑब्वियस है फ्रेंड कि आप इंफॉर्मेशन को एक दूसरे से कंप्यूटर से आपस में एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं. द सेकेंड वन इज load sharing. Suppose all the computers are connected in network. If you got a lot of work, in that case you can share your workload in the network. And the third one is now reliability. Reliability is the third objective of computer networks. That means if friends, अगर बहुत सारे computers, if multiple computers are connected with each other, then सपोज एक कोई भी कंप्यूटर मेरा ख़राब हो जाता है तो डेटा विल नॉट बी लॉस्ट, इट विल बी स्टोर्ड इन डिफरेंट computers on the network, and from there we can easily download data from that computer. So it is another objective of computer network. Now moving to the next session, friends,